When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal and security of your Southlake property, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is commercial outdoor lighting. Whether you own a retail store, a restaurant, or a corporate office, the right lighting not only boosts curb appeal but also creates a welcoming atmosphere and improves safety for both customers and employees. Choosing the right commercial outdoor lighting can be a complex task with many options available. In this article, we'll guide you through the essential steps to help you select the best lighting for your property, ensuring you achieve both style and functionality while staying within budget. Understand the purpose of your lighting. Before diving into specific lighting options, it's important to understand the purpose of your commercial outdoor lighting. The primary objectives will help guide your decision-making and ensure you choose the right style, brightness, and placement for your property. Security. If improving safety is your top priority, opt for bright, uniform lighting that covers all areas around your property. Security lights should be placed around entryways, parking lots, pathways, and alleyways to deter criminal activity. Aesthetic appeal. Lighting can also be used to enhance the design of your property. You may want to create an inviting atmosphere for customers with softer, decorative lighting that highlights architectural features, plants, and signage. Wayfinding. Outdoor lighting can also help guide visitors to key areas of your property, such as the entrance or exit. In this case, pathway lighting, bollard lights, or step lights can be used to illuminate walkways clearly and safely. Ambiance. For restaurants, cafes, or event venues, creating a comfortable, inviting ambiance is crucial. Use warm-toned lighting that offers an atmosphere conducive to relaxation and conversation, enhancing the overall guest experience. Choose the right lighting fixture. Once you understand your objectives, you can move on to choosing the right fixtures for your Southlake commercial property. The types of lighting fixtures you select will depend on your space, style, and desired functionality. Floodlights. Floodlights are perfect for large open areas like parking lots or the sides of buildings. They provide bright, even lighting that covers a wide area. LED floodlights are an energy-efficient option that offers durability and minimal maintenance. Wall-mounted fixtures. For entrances, signage, and building exteriors, wall-mounted lighting is a popular choice. Wall lights can highlight architectural details and signage, helping potential customers spot your business even at night. Pathway and bollard lights. Pathway lights are ideal for creating safe walkways for pedestrians. Bollard lights are short, vertical fixtures that line walkways or garden beds, providing low, controlled lighting that's perfect for guiding visitors to key areas. Post lights. Post lighting is an elegant option for parking lots or garden areas. These fixtures come in various designs and provide broad illumination without being too harsh, contributing to both safety and visual appeal. Accent lighting. Spotlights and pendant lights are great for accentuating features such as outdoor sculptures, trees, or landscaping elements. These fixtures can also highlight your brand signage to make it visible even from a distance. Consider energy efficiency. In today's world, energy efficiency is a top priority for many businesses. Not only will choosing energy-efficient lighting options reduce your environmental footprint, but but it will also help lower your electricity bills over time. LED lighting. LED lights are the gold standard when it comes to energy efficiency. They consume less energy, have a longer lifespan, and emit less heat than traditional incandescent bulbs. Moreover, they can be dimmed or controlled with sensors to provide the right level of brightness when needed, further conserving energy. Smart lighting systems. Smart outdoor lighting systems that allow you to adjust the brightness or schedule lighting to turn on and off can help manage energy usage effectively. These systems often include motion sensors that automatically activate lights when movement is detected, reducing wasted energy. Choose the right brightness and color temperature. Another critical factor in selecting commercial outdoor lighting is determining the brightness and color temperature. Both of these elements will affect the atmosphere, functionality, and safety of your space. Brightness, lumens. The brightness of your lighting will vary based on the area it needs to illuminate. For example, areas that require higher visibility, such as parking lots or entryways, will need higher lumens, while areas meant for ambiance, like outdoor dining spaces, can have softer lighting with lower lumens. Color temperature, Kelvin. The color of the light affects the overall mood of your outdoor space. Cool white light, above 4000 K, is ideal for areas where you need bright, high-contrast lighting, such as security lights or pathways. For more relaxed spaces, such as dining areas or patios, warm white light, below 3000 K, will create a softer, more inviting glow. Weather resistance and durability. Given the weather conditions in Southlake, it's essential to choose outdoor lighting fixtures that can withstand extreme heat, rain, and wind. Look for fixtures that are rated for outdoor use and have a high IP, ingress protection, rating, which indicates the level of protection against dust and water exposure. Rust-resistant materials. Choose lighting made from rust-resistant materials like stainless steel or aluminum to ensure long-lasting durability, even in the face of moisture and humidity. UV protection. Ensure the light fixtures and wiring are protected against UV rays to prevent degradation from the sun's exposure over time. Budget consideration. While it's essential to prioritize quality and energy efficiency, you also need to consider your budget when choosing commercial outdoor lighting. Set a budget based on your needs and the size of the space to be lit, and consult with a lighting professional who can help design a system that fits your needs without going over budget. Conclusion. Choosing the right commercial outdoor lighting for your Southlake property can transform your business's exterior, improve safety, and create an inviting atmosphere for your customers. Whether you're aiming to boost security, create ambiance, or enhance your curb appeal, understanding your needs and selecting the proper fixtures is key to achieving the best results. By considering factors such as energy efficiency, durability, brightness, and aesthetic appeal, you can create a lighting design that reflects your business's personality while offering practical benefits for years to come.